Hey, hello, you wonderful and free spirit. This is Anton Benning, and let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt stuck? Or are you perhaps stuck in a certain situation right now? Let's address this and let's address how it is simple and easy to get unstuck in any situation in life. So, I believe, and I've been taught by a mentor of mine quite recently, that there's two possible reasons for us to experience stuckness. And the very first reason for this is that we don't have a goal. And sometimes we think we have a goal, we have something written out that we are working towards, but we aren't completely heartfelt in alignment with the goal. It isn't true to who we are. So ask yourself, when you're setting a goal to work towards, is this goal in alignment with what I value in life? Is this goal in alignment with where I see myself in the near future? Is this goal in alignment with what I want from my life and where I see myself in the longer future? So make sure that the goal that you set for yourself is in complete alignment with who you are and who you want to become. And that is a first potential reason that you feel stuck. You either don't have a goal or the goal is not true to who you are as a person. So the second reason that we might be stuck is our attitude. And our attitude is basically the cyclical process from our thoughts that create our feelings, and from our feelings that are created our actions, and from our actions are created our results. So if we focus our thoughts based upon our current environment, we have an attitude on the level of our current environment and will never progress towards where we want to go, because that's not in our current environment yet. So where we got to put our attitude on a higher standard than we might see in our physical current environment. So the way that we do it is through the higher faculty of our mind, the imagination. We can see on the screen of our mind ourselves already being the person who we want to be, and seeing that image instead of focusing on what is in our physical surroundings. We see something new, we see something better, we see what could be instead of what is. And based upon that, we increase the standards of our feelings. We feel better feelings because we see a more exciting image in our mind. And based upon these better feelings, we create better actions. Our body is in a more positive state of vibration, vibrating on a higher frequency. And based upon this higher frequency, these higher level actions are being taken. And through these higher level actions, automatically by law, cause and effect, we create higher quality results. So it all comes down to either our goals or our attitude. By the way, if you are interested in getting from where you are to where you want to be by figuring out what it is that you truly desire, and then receiving a step-by-step plan to turning that desire into a profitable venture, you can download my Ultimate Life and Business Design template by clicking on the link in the description below. And also, please, if you're interested in upping your standards, upping your attitude, how to set goals in a way that you can get that life that you in the past only been able to dream about, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll try my best to share everything that I learn that could help you on your journey to success as well. But let's continue, because I believe that our attitude is closely attached to our standards. When we increase the quality of our attitude, we increase the quality of our standards. And our standards are everything. Our standards basically state the foundation of our results. If we increase our standards, we increase the quality of our results. It doesn't matter in what area in life. If you increase your standards surrounding your health, surrounding your nutrition, surrounding your workout routine, surrounding your budgeting your money, surrounding your the people that you surround yourself with of higher standards. Everything will change in your life. And these higher standards that you set for yourself will immediately influence your attitude. Your attitude immediately, through these higher standards, increases the quality of your thoughts, which increase the quality of your feelings, which increase the quality of your actions, and so increase the quality of your results. So this is a self-fulfilling prophecy. It all works by natural law. And you and I, we have the choice to become more and more consciously aware of how these things work. There's two things that we need to know to increase the quality of our lives, to increase the speed through with that we achieve our goals. And that is by raising our awareness and raising our understanding of the workings of our mind and the workings of the natural laws that govern this universe. There are 7 laws, but like the main law that we're focusing upon in this message today, or the main 2 laws basically, is the transmutational, the law of perpetual transmutation of energy and the law of cause and effect. Because when we want to turn something into form, usually when we feel stuck, we either don't have a clear focus upon what it is that we want to turn into form, or it is not in alignment with who we want to become. Because this law of perpetual transmutation of energy is always working. Everything, energy is constantly moving into form, through form, and back into form. So this law basically states that when you hold an image on the screen of your mind and you hold it there long enough, that image is expressed through you into physical form. And this in alignment with the law of cause and effect. When you focus on something, you take actions that are going to take you into that direction. And then by law, that is your cause, you create an equal and opposite effect. So the universe is also helping that thing, that what you want, move towards you. And that is why it is so beautiful, like that Ralph Waldo Emerson already stated. Everything that you are looking for is also looking for you. And when you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. So it is first you making the decision and taking the actions that you need to take to realize the results of that decision that you've taken. And in the meanwhile, the universe will also move its way into a certain result so that you get closer to it and it gets closer to you. And that is basically what I wanted to share today. We need to get unstuck if we want to move to the next level in life. We need to constantly and again and again and again get unstuck. Because every single time we set a new goal or we want to move towards a new thing in life, doesn't matter if it's becoming something, having something, or doing something. Every time we want something new, we have to move to a higher frequency, a higher standard, a higher quality of attitude. And to do this, we constantly have to continue setting goals and continuing going after goals and being aware that everything that it takes to achieve these goals has to do with our attitude. Increase the quality of our attitude, increase the quality of our results. That is why Earl Nightingale said that attitude is the magic word. Attitude is that thing that we have complete control over in our lives. And when we grasp this control and we choose a specific attitude towards the world returns that specific attitude towards us by law of cause and effect. And so today we're going to work At least I'm going to work on my attitude, and I hope you're going to work on your attitude as well. I suggest we take a deep dive into attitude over the coming weeks or the coming months. And throughout increasing the quality of our attitude, we're going to increase the quality of our life. And as I've learned from Earl Nightingale and Bob Proctor, the most important step, or maybe the most important and also one of the easiest steps to increase the quality of our attitude, is to approach and connect with everybody you meet with an impression of increase. So leave everybody you meet with an impression of increase. Every single encounter with another human being or with a situation in general, leave it with an impression of increase, an impression of that everything surrounding that meeting or surrounding that situation is better than before it encountered you with it. So basically we just approach everything with the state of mind where we want to increase the value, increase the quality of lifestyle, increase the quality of mindset, heart set, soul set, and health set. Every single situation, leave everything better than you found it. And by law of cause and effect, your life will go up and up and up in quality. Because as you approach everything with a desire to leave it better than you found it, everything in the universe will start to approach you with a desire to leave you better than it found you the day before, or the hour before, or the week before as well. So we want to continue to up the quality of the way that we want to leave everything for the better in our lives. And that we do through increasing the quality of our attitude and continuing to setting goals. Thank you very much for listening today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Live with love and live with passion. Namaste.